students, I'm Madam Joyce from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology, my student, and today I'll be with you to discuss our topic with the comparative of natural groups of organisms. So here we are going to discuss our subtopic, which is the kingdom Animalia. And here, my student, in this session, we are going to discuss the phylum Chordate. And mainly, we are going to discuss the classes which are found within the phylum Chordate, meaning which are found within the kingdom Animalia. And here, mainly, we are discussing on the class Chondricanthes, that is cartilaginous fish. Where in the last session, we are seeing the introduction of the Chondricanthes and the distinctive feature of this phylum, class Chondricanthes. So in our today's session also we are proceed to look the class Chondricanthes, but we are going to look on the structure of the shark. The structure of the shark. So my student, we can say that in all classes we have got a lot of organisms. So we cannot study all of the organisms that is found within the class Chondricanthes, because we have shark, we have skates, we have ray skate and so on. Wale wote hatuwezi tukawasoma wote because of time. So we are choosing the first, one organism, that is the shark, is where now we are going to see the structure which are found within this organism and their mode of nutrition and so on. So here we are going to discuss about the structure of the shark. So we are saying that the body of the shark is more or less completely covered by placoid scales and has a lateral line that runs along the side of its body for detecting water current and wave intensity. So, my student, tumesema kwamba the structure of the shark or the body of the shark inakuwa na placoid scales. And hii placoid scale tumeiona kwenye ile structure kipindi tuna discuss is the distinctive features. How organisms tumesema their body have been covered by placoid scales, au yale magamba yanao cover how organism inaita placoid scale. Not only that, we have seen that also this organism they possess a lateral line. Kunakuwa na mstari katikati ya mwili wao. Ile lateral line ndio ambayo inawasaidia how organism to detect the water current and also a wave intensity, yale mawimbi ya kwenye bahari and so on, na maji yapo vipi. So they detect is due to the presence of the lateral line. And also we can say that its pectoral fin in the anterior to the pelvic fins. Usually the later has a claspers out tunaita pterygopods, which are used as a copulatory organs in the male, and the caudal fin in heterocecal in shape. Kwa hizi ndizo fins ambazo zinapatikana ndani ya hao organism. They have pectoral fins. Also they have these pelvic fins ambayo inaitwa claspers. Hii claspers ndio ambayo inatumika for copulation purpose. So copulation, I hope you know copulation. What is copulation? So now we can say that, and the caudal fin is a heterocecal in shape. Ile caudal fin inakuwa in heterocecal in shape. So here ndio structure ya hawa organism. But the mouth is located ventral with the teeth, which are constantly replaced. So how organism pia, their mouth part, it is located on the ventral region. So they have ventral mouth part. We're going to see in the next slide the structure of this organism. So you will see what is the ventral mouth part. And also it has small eyes which have lower lids used to cover their eye during feeding. So how organism pia they have small eyes. Wanakuwa na macho lakini yale macho yanakuwa ni very small, madogo madogo sana. Yale macho ndio ambayo tunasema kwamba they have also eyelid. Ile eyelid ndio ambayo inatumika kucover their eyes pale ambapo wanataka to getting in something. So now we're going to see the structure of the figure 3.60 that show the structure of the shark. And my student, this one is the structure of the shark. As we have said that this organism which are found within this chondrocanthes, mainly shark, tulisema anakuwa na ventral mouth. And this one mouth you can see here, it is ventral mouth, kwa maana kwamba iko huku chini kabisa their mouth. Ndiyo maana tunaita ventral mouth. And also this organism, they have gills opening here. They have a gills, zile gills zinaonekana kabisa. So they lack operculum. Ile operculum ndio ambayo inatumika kukava zile gills hapa. Kwa sasa they lack operculum, but they have the gills that is open. And also they have a pectoral fin. Now you can see this one is the pectoral fin. Also they have a pelvic fin. They have a claspers male. Hii kama ni male anakuwa na claspers. Zile claspers ndizo ambazo zinatumika kama copulatory organ. And also they have a anal fin. Now you can see this anal fin is where now there is expulsion of different undigested food is taking place in this region, that is anal fin. And also they have a caudal fin here. This caudal fin ndio ambayo inasaidia how organism to swim within the water. And also they have this lateral line for a detection of the water current and the wave within the water. And now you can see they have a dorsal fin also helping swimming. And they have the eyes. Within the eye, they have the eyelid. Ile eyelid ndio inasaidia hawa organism pale ambapo wanataka kutake in anything. So they close those eyes by using the eyelid to prevent desiccation and so on. So that is the structure of this organism. And also, my students, we can say that the gills slit are naked. As I have said, we have seen. The gill slit are naked, no operculum, and has a spiracles which is modified as a gill slit on the top of the head that provide oxygenated blood direct to the eye and brain through a separate blood vessel. Kwa maana kwamba hao organism tulishaona kwenye hile diagram ambapo tumesema they have a gill slit. Ile gill slit inakuwa naked, kwa maana kwamba haijafunikwa na cover yoyote, kwa maana kwamba there is no operculum. But not only that, we have seen that this organism, they have spiracles. Zile spiracles ndizo ambazo zinatumika to taking in oxygen. So ile oxygen inaingia direct within the blood, thereafter inaanza ile circulation very easily. And not only that, we have said that this oxygenated blood ndiyo ambayo inatumika kwenye brain and the blood vessels. So their body, they get oxygen by using this structure ambayo inaitwa spiracles inayopatikana on the top of their body. And also, we have said that the intestine is short, but with the absorptive features increased by the spiral valves. So pia tunasema how organism, they do possess a short, but the intestine is short. Ile intestine ambayo inapatikana within the body. Tukisema intestine, hapa tunamaanisha ule utumbo mwembamba unaopatikana ndani ya stomach. Inakuwa it is very short. So tunasema kwamba but with absorptive features increased by spiral valves. So ile shortness of the intestine ndiyo ambayo inawasaidia hao organism to absorb much more food within their bodies to be used into different purposes. But also we have seen that this organism, they have a spiral valves. So these spiral valves ndiyo ambayo ina increase ile absorptive purpose that is carried out by the intestine, which is found within their body. So also, my student, after we have seen now the structure of the shark and the features which is found within the shark, now I would like to take you through another class which is found within the phylum Chordate. And this class, my student, it is called the class Ostacanthes. The class, it is called the Ostacanthes. So what is it now? Here we are saying that the class include all bone fishes such as tuna, tilapia, rainbow fish, and herring and the catfish. They are all aquatic organisms found in the marine and the freshwater bodies. So hao organism wanaopatikana ndani ya hii class ambayo inaitwa Osteichthys, they are bone fish, meaning that their exoskeleton it is made up by bone. It is quite different from the Chondrichthyes, since their body or their external environment, that is skeleton, it is made up by cartilage. But this organism, the exoskeleton, their skeleton, it is made by bone. And a good example here we have seen, we have tuna, we have tilapia, we have a rainbow fish, we have the herring, and also we have the catfish. All of them, they are found within the class Osteichthys. But also this organism, all of them, they are aquatic environment. They are found both in the marine and in the freshly water. So my student, in more clarification to discuss on the distinctive features of this organism, mainly Osteichthys, we are going to discuss this in the next part. Is where now we're going to see the distinctive features which is found within the class Osteichthys. So thank you for listening.